understanding, try again. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into a commonly used English phrase, try again. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also the different contexts in which you can use it. Let's get started. At its core, try again is quite straightforward. It's a phrase made up of two words. Try, which means to make an effort or to attempt. Again, which means another time or once more. So, when combined, try again simply means to make another attempt or to give something another shot. While the literal meaning is about making another attempt, this phrase can be used in various contexts. Let's explore a few. 1. Encouragement. When someone hasn't succeeded in their first attempt, a friend might say, try again, to motivate them to not give up and make another effort. 2. Correction. If someone answers a question incorrectly or doesn't perform a task right, a teacher or supervisor might say, try again, indicating that the person should reattempt, hopefully with a correct response. 3. Casual banter. Sometimes, the phrase can be used in a playful manner among friends. For instance, if someone makes a harmless joke that doesn't land well, the friend might say, try again, suggesting they should come up with a better joke. There are a few other ways you might hear this phrase being used. 1. Give it another go. This is a more informal way of saying, try again, and has the same encouraging tone. 2. Have another shot. This can often be used in contexts where someone is trying out a skill or answering a quiz. 3. Don't give up, try once more. This is a longer variation but essentially conveys the same sentiment of persistence and encouragement. And that wraps up our exploration of try again. We hope this video shed light on not just the phrase's literal meaning but also the various contexts in which it's used. Remember, language is not just about words but the emotions and situations they represent. So next time you hear or read, try again, you'll know exactly what's being conveyed. Keep learning and see you in the next video.